Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. From locally grown fruits to handcrafted bottles of wine, one Jamaican entrepreneur has done just that with a line of locally produced fruit wines. It's a story of Sister Loves Wines. Here's Daydree Thomas.
Every year, tons of Jamaican fruits are harvested across the island. While many are consumed fresh or processed into juices, Princess Margaret, owner of Sister Loves Wine, is transforming some of Jamaica's most familiar herbs and fruits into an uncommon product, wine.
With Sister Love Wines, herbs and fruits, you can chase Sister Love Wine with any type of your favorite juice or drink. It can be chased. Sister Love Wines, also you can add your ice and you can have it naturally. We have Ribena, we have Medina, we have ganja, we have bamboo wine from the young bamboo shoot, we have sorrel wine, we have mango wine.
Her inspiration, however, wasn't simple to create another beverage. It was born from a desire to promote healthier living, and so she began experimenting with ways to preserve their benefits into a product that people would enjoy. But like fine wine, the business didn't develop overnight.
Started out like nothing much. Nothing much. Just only one container, one bucket. Just using one bucket all the way as one finished Guinea hen wheat. So when I finish with that one, I can't set another one until that one ferments.
And how much did that cost you?
Well, for that time, in those days back in 2014, 2015, for a bucket, cost you like maybe $500 or $600.
While these wines have matured with time, so too have the challenges.
Facing financial challenges. That's only it, financial challenges. But regardless of that, my nice representatives came on board. They saw me on a pop-up show and they came on board. Take this lovely garlic wine product, what I'm doing, and they finance it.
For now, the business operates primarily through pre-orders and deliveries, as Miss Margaret is still searching for a distributor. Her vision, however, reached well beyond local shelves.
For the long term now, what I would like to see for long term, the wines right across Jamaica and internationally. And I know it's there because many persons, this is not yet in Jamaica. It's not yet established here. And it's very new and unusual. So when they came upon it, partake of it, it's going to go really huge far.
For the Business Review, I'm Daydree Thomas.